In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your profile on Indeed. If you want to increase your chances of getting noticed by employers, having a complete and well-organized profile on Indeed is very important. It helps recruiters understand your background and makes it easier for you to apply for jobs quickly. To get started, go to the Indeed website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile or resume section, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it to begin setting up your profile. You'll first be asked to add your basic information. This includes your name and location. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date, since this is the first thing employers will see when they view your profile. Next, you'll have the option to upload your resume. If you already have one prepared, go ahead and upload it. This can save you time when applying for jobs later. If you don't have a resume ready, you can manually fill in your details directly on Indeed. Continue by adding your work experience. Include your previous job titles, the companies you worked for, and a brief description of your responsibilities. Focus on relevant experience that matches the type of job you're applying for. After that, enter your education details. Add the schools you attended, along with any degrees or certifications you've earned. This helps employers understand your qualifications. You can also include your skills. Choose skills that are related to the jobs you're interested in. This makes your profile more searchable and increases your chances of appearing in employer searches. Once you've added all the necessary information, take a moment to review your profile. Make sure there are no errors and that everything is clearly written. A clean and complete profile creates a better impression. After reviewing, save your changes. Your Indeed profile is now ready, and you can start applying for jobs more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.